In this video, we will show you what problems you might encounter after repairing your gimbal and how to solve them using the DJI Air 3S model as an example. After replacing the gimbal motors, you'll notice that the camera is not centered. Factory gimbal calibration is required. We will perform calibration using a special tool. After calibration, the camera is centered, but we see that the DJI Fly app displays a gimbal calibration error message. We will also fix this error using the same special tool. To fixing this error, advanced gimbal calibration is performed. Following the program instructions, to complete the calibration, we need to place the drone vertically with the gimbal facing up. Advanced calibration was successful, and we see that the gimbal calibration error is no longer displayed. At this point, the calibration process is successfully completed. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to our channel to see more videos about drones repair.